Hello everyone, my name is Yulin, and I will be giving presentation about the big data technology. So system of the big data technology is huge and complex. This technology is widely used in many fields. It is based on information data in a huge size. How to make this information data to be valuable for decision. Then we will use the big data technology. So next, I will talk about the definition of the big data technology. And this technology is a new technology structure that captures, store, analyze, and extract value from large volumes of data. The basic technology include data collection, data processing, distributed storage, NoSQL database, data warehouse, machine learning, parallel computing, visualization, and other technology, and the different technique aspects. It is called a generalized big data processing framework, and it is mainly divided into the following aspect: data collection and data pre-processing, data storage, data cleaning, data query analyze, and data visualization. And when we talk about the big data, the first thing that we want to know is the size of the big data. And the data size most used for the big data is PB and EB. PB stands for petabyte and EB stands for exabyte. And the biggest unit for the data today is gigabyte, as ZB. And right now the amount of the data that create and copied right now is 1.8 gigabyte, and this is from 2011. And when we go into 2020, the global electronic devices will store data that will reach 35 GB. And there's the 6 way of the big data. And the first way is volume, second way is variety, third way is velocity, fourth way is veracity, fifth way is variability, and all these 5 ways create value. This is 6 way. And this is an image about the big data technology, and it is based on the Hadoop ecosystem. And Hadoop is an open resource project, and also is a core application for the big data technology. And for the Hadoop core, we have HDFS and MapReduce and Yarn. And these 3 things I will talk about later, and also is important for the Hadoop. And actually the first thing we will do for the data is a data integration service, and the Flume, HBase, Scoop, Hive, this kind of the application I will talk about later for specific things. And the second things we will do is the Hadoop core things. And the last thing we will do is operational and the platform service, and like Rootkeeper, OZ. I will do specific introduce in next couple of slides. The first aspect of the big data technology is the data pre-processing. And the data collection types are file log collection and database log collection. relational database access and application access. And there are some example methods like Flume, Logstash, and Scoop. And Flume is a real-time log collection system, supports various types of data setters in the log system to collect data. At the same time, the data is simply processed and read to various data receivers, such as text, HDFS, HBase. Flume use a three-tier architecture: the agent layer, the collector layer, and the store layer, each of which can be horizontally expanded. The agent contains source, channel, and sink. The source is used to consume the data source to the channel component. The channel is used as intermediate temporary storage to save all source component information. The sink reads data from the channel and delete it after successful reading information. And then Logstash is an open resource service-side data processing pipeline that collects data from multiple sources, transforms data, and sends it to your favorite repository. And the commonly used repository is Elasticsearch. Logstash supports a variety of input options, capturing events from many popular data sources at the same time, and easily streaming data from your logs, metrics, web applications, data stores, and various AWS service in a continuous stream. And the Scoop is a tool used to transform data between a relational database and Hadoop. Can import data from relational database such as MySQL, Oracle, into Hadoop such as HDFS, Hive, HBase, or the data in Hadoop is imported into relational database. Scoop enables a MapReduce job to perform tasks. And secondly, we will do data storage, and include the data storage. It's a Hadoop. It's an open resource frame designed for offline and large-scale data analysis. HDFS as core storage engine. And then it's a HBase, NoSQL database, key or value system, HDFS encapsulation. And the Redis is very fast speed non-relational database. And the other two, Yarn and Mesos, they are the resource manager. The third, fourth, and the fifth aspect of the big data technology are data cleaning, data query analysis, data visualization. MapReduce of Hadoop and OZ can help to do data cleaning, and the Hive, which is translate SQL statement into MR programs, and also do HQL, which is Hive SQL, and do not store and calculate data. Depends on HDFS and MapReduce. Impala, it is a segment of Hive and is real-time interactive SQL query, and also can use Spark to do query analysis. And for the data visualization, there's a Tableau, Cook, Vile, and Power BI. They are all BI platform which we can use. This is all about the big data technology, and thank you for watching my presentation.